is Sean Lewis, and I'm the owner of Ahe Design Inc. So today we're here to show you, or actually share with you, one of our ADU projects here in the city of Oxnard. Today I'm going to be explaining some of the difficulties or challenges that we experience while going through the permitting process for this new ADU, and also during the construction process as well. The reason why we decided to start making these videos is because we do a bunch of these projects in these cities around, and a bunch of the clients typically has a bunch of the same questions. So I just wanted to get some of those questions answered and kind of also provide you with some feedback on, well, not necessarily feedback, but I also want to provide you with some insight on what to expect during the plan check process and also the construction process. So yeah, come on, walk with me and come check. So this is the beautiful ADU that I'm talking about here. Essentially what's going on here is an existing 450 square feet storage space plus an addition to it over here, which is about 400 square feet, sorry. So in total, we have about 850 square feet here. So this ADU is located in the city of Oxnard. And so one of the requirements here in the city of Oxnard was to go ahead and raise the ADU 21 inches above the flow line of the street, and that was for drainage purposes. So the existing storage unit had a ceiling height of 9 feet when we originally started this project, and so we had to go ahead and raise that thing 21 inches, which only allowed for 7 feet of ceiling height, while the addition had a full 8 feet of ceiling height. The reason why we only kept this at 7 feet is because it was the existing ceiling line. We didn't want to touch it, and the client was okay with not touching it. But so during the process, while we were going through the whole permitting and the construction begun, and he saw how low the ceiling was at 7 feet, we had to come back, do a revision to raise the ceiling height by 1 foot. So come on with me. Let me show you guys what else we did here. So essentially what we did here was to go ahead and raise let me just close the door here. So essentially what we did here was to go ahead and raise the ceiling height in the existing part by 1 foot as mentioned. And so what you'll observe here is that there's some kind of like a vaulted ceiling coming up, which allowed that slope up to meet that 1 foot height. And then from there, everything else was just straight until we get over to this side. And we had the same vaulted scenario again, coming back down. The reason why we have this vaulted scenario, and it wasn't just straight all 8 feet, is because we didn't want to touch the existing ceiling line, because that was going to cost the client a little bit more during construction. And so over here we have the family room, we have the kitchen, we have the dining room. All that's going to be here in this space. Over here we have the bathroom. Over on this side we have the washer. We have the washer dryer over here. Then over here we have 2 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1. It's going to be over here, and then over here is going to be bedroom number 2. And you can easily see that right over here, bedroom number 2. And so yeah, so this project was a very time intensive process, or it had a very time intensive process. And the reason for that is because the city of Oxnard is below water level, and so in order to ensure that the properties never submerge, or the residential structures are never submerged, we have to ensure that everything is maintained, like drainage and stuff like that is maintained, and we adhere to stuff like that. And so beyond that, if you guys just walk on out here with me, let me show you some more stuff. So these were the plans. These were the plans that was approved by the city of Oxnard for us, covering the address there. No worries. By Ahe Design Inc. That's us. So if you guys are ever in the area and you're ever looking to get an ADU done, please go ahead and reach out to us. Check out this amazing, in front here is going to be an amazing porch, as well as 2 flights of steps to get up to the porch. So any questions in the city of Oxnard for ADUs, please go ahead and reach out to us. If you have any questions about anything, please reach out to us. I can be reached at Sean A. Lewis at ahedesignsinc.com. Please go ahead and send me an email, or I'll also have my information at the bottom of this video, so please go ahead and reach out to us. We can help you with all your ADU needs. Thank you until next time. Check out my podcast. It's going to be starting up in YouTube, where I'm going to be discussing different city processes. That way everybody could kind of understand, just how everything works when it comes to an ADU, because I know there are some daunting questions where you as a homeowner, if you don't if you don't have that understanding of like what it takes, you start worrying and you don't know where to find answers. So I want to start covering every single city specifically. That way you guys can have some answers. You guys have a place to come to, and you can trust the process, because every single city that I'm going to cover, we've worked in, so we understand the process. Okay, and so thank you guys so much again. If you want to follow me, please go ahead and hit the like button. And thank you until next time.